back to my channel. I have a wig review for you today. I grabbed up this red carpet premiere, which is also main concept, and I got Miss Michaela. Let's say Michaela. And Michaela is a 6x6 lace front wig. So she's got this 6x6 parting. I have her in the color SR1B/Camo. Okay, and it talks about how it's the soft Swiss lace. So I have her in this one here, which is the Camo. She comes in a lot of different colors. She came in a box like this, and I got her from Glamour Trust for $15.99, so that's a steal. This is Miss Michaela. The coloring on here is super fun. And let's see, look, see, she's got the greens in there. She's got sort of goldens. She has a 1B root, but it's not harsh like some 1B roots are. This is the inside of the cap. It's that 6x6, so you can part any of this part here. There's 2 combs on the far sides, and then you're gonna have a comb in the back with the adjustable strap. She's got a nice scalp area there. You can see my hand through there. So the one thing I have found, and you can see the hairline on that's really, really nice. But the one thing that I have found with wigs like these is that you do really have to, yes, it's great because you have that sort of free 6x6 parting. But I have found that you really have to train it and lay it down where you're probably going to wear it most. And then, you know, put your powder in your parting and things like that. But let's get her on and see what we're working with. Whoa. I feel like I'm on the set of Cats. Yeah, this... I have learned, though, that you can't always judge a book by the first... You can't judge a book. You can't judge a wig by the first time you put it on. The color is stunning. The color is stunning. The texture is very sort of natural, you know, coarse hair. But still light. It's very light. Like, it's not as heavy. This wig cap is very, very big. I'll tell you that right now. Which, if you struggle with that, that's great. I mean, there's a nice, look at that. There's a nice hairline on there. I wonder what she would look like flat ironed. Let me get this chick together and see what I think. Yeah, let me get Michaela together and see what I can do. But like in general, I don't hate this wig. I just think there's a lot of hair, and I think the curl pattern, you know, maybe in a brown would be different. I might wear her for St. Patrick's Day. I love the curl pattern. I think, like I said, in a brown, this might be different. Like, I'm not opposed to just sort of that kinky, little bit frizzy, like natural curly situation. Let's look at her from the back. Like, the volume of her is just crazy. And I am really liking this greenish, like, khaki camo situation. She has some shedding, but not a ton. I'd say overall, if you like this style, it's a thick wig, it's a warm wig. This is not a summer wig. The wig cap is pretty large, which is, you know, you can always tighten it if you need to. But if you have trouble finding one that fits, I think this would be a good one. I mean, she would be super cute like that. Yeah. Definitely. I find this is the same with all of these sort of like free parting. You do have to kind of find and train, and it's always hard because you don't want to really pluck too much because it's already, I mean, it's pretty plucked. I think I might straighten her. What do you guys think? Would you like to see a video of me straightening this wig and sort of seeing what happens? I think with this texture and straight, it would be super adorable. I really, really, really do. Overall, if you like the texture, I think it's great. I might just straighten her and then, like, come back. And I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to straighten her and then I'm going to come back. It'll be a later day, but it'll be, for you, the same video. And we'll see what happens. So I'm going to take sort of a before and after type situation. I just think she's a little too full for me to wear, like, normally. But I love the texture of the hair. It's very comfortable. I love the 6x6. I love the color. So if I can straighten her out and fix her up a little bit, I think she would actually be a great wig for me. So we're going to pause, and then at a later date, I'll be back and see what she looks like straightened. Okay, so I straightened her. She doesn't want to, like, lay super flat straightened. So I like her better straightened, but I frankly don't like Michaela that much. My issue with four-way parting is this. Like, it's so much scalp that shows. So I feel like you have to find a good place and sort of set it down. And I can't find a good place where it's not like a crap ton of scalp. So that's the other thing. I think she's just, look at that. I think it's just too light. Just for like a synthetic wig that I'm just going to be putting on and taking off. Like, I can totally see my wig cap there. The color is great. I love the color. I just can't really find a spot. Yeah, see, the more and more I'm messing around, the more it's like, it's just too thin. Even if I put powder in her, you're going to think like I legit am like losing my hair because it's so much scalp showing. Let's see. Yeah, that just makes it worse. I could do the flip over, but I don't wear hair like that because that stuff's like all in my hair. Like, you could do sort of that flip over thing, but I don't do that. All right, long story short, curly or straight, this is a no. No. Sorry, Michaela, we just can't. We can't play around. Maybe with a hat, but this girl is, yeah, she's a no. I mean, I've seen other reviews of her. She doesn't look too bad here. I mean, for pictures maybe, but I wouldn't want to wear her anywhere. So I would like to get another wig in this color, but this one is just a no. And I've seen reviews of her and people didn't really like her. Some did. I don't know. It's just one of those things. I don't even know why I bought her, but yeah, so it's not bad like that. But I wouldn't go out in this at all. So that's my review of Michaela. Do you have her? Do you like her? Did you have the same experience? What are your thoughts? If you haven't subscribed, please do so. These are my real thoughts, my real experiences. If you love this wig and you can make it work, that's awesome. I'm glad. We all have different preferences. I would not suggest this wig to anybody. Not even just because of the texture of the hair. If you liked it curly or if you like it straight, that's fine. But just because of scalp issues, it's going to make it look like you're losing your hair, which I am. So I don't want to wear a wig that shows that I'm losing my hair. So that's what I have for you for this video. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that. If I already said that, sorry, because I am filming this part of it another day because I just couldn't hang. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.